So let's unbox the Converse Chuck 70 box. This comes in a double box. Converse logo over here. Inside it. What a beautiful sneaker. It looks beautiful. The canvas is thick canvas. Normally जो कॉन्वर्स चक टेल में मिलता है वो नहीं, यहाँ पे डबल स्टिचिंग है. और ये this Converse Chuck 70 plus high has this unique crisscross pattern over here. This is the outsole. It's cream color. The official color name is beige. And what a beautiful shoe. Let me show you a on-fit look. Here you have the Converse logo over here. That is also in a crisscross pattern in leather. Here you have two holes over this side for ventilation and stuff. Over here you have a very good quality rubber type mud guard. And what a beautiful sneaker overall. Quality, you can feel the quality when you hold it. I've got it from Converse India official website. You can also get it from like Veg Non-Veg, but best to get it from Converse India website. And let's put it on feet. Sizing, I've gone 2 to size. It's a bit slightly loose. So if you have a narrow feet, especially girls, you can go for half size down also. And if you're a man also having narrow foot, so you can go for half size down too. But I like a bit of roomier fit, so 2 to size is good for me. Give you a closer look of it. So this is how it's looking on feet. Here you can see this crisscross pattern. It's beautiful. Two ventilation type holes over here and the Converse logo in leather. This is also crisscross pattern. Chuck 70 written over here. Chuck 70, Chuck Taylor 70. So best to buy from official places like Converse India website or Veg Non-Veg or limited edition or Super Kicks, because on Amazon and stuff or Flipkart I think it will be risky. Even you can get it from Agio. On the back also you have this Chuck All-Star logo. This is also in kind of rubber, and the quality of the canvas is very nice. It's a thick canvas, so it will hold this shape, not like the thin canvas of the Chuck Taylor. This looks beautiful on feet, so highly recommended this one. Sizing, yeah, my foot is over here, so I think if you go for lower size, this portion will be tighter, so anyway when we walk our feet expands. So I think for me, like a comfortable fit, 2 to size is great. And again I'm saying, if you have narrower feet, girls for example, they can go for half size down. You will not get any extra laces, but the quality of laces from Converse is really good. So in the future also, if you need laces, you can directly buy different color laces for your Jordans and stuff from Converse website. Converse now is owned by Nike. Here you can see the back patch, Chuck Taylor written, 2 stars, and here you can see the canvas quality. In the tongue over here it's written Chuck Taylor athletic shoe player's name. This used to be a basketball shoes before, like Jordans and all the stuff. The Converse was most famous. Here you have the tag, made in Vietnam, men's 10, that is Euro 44 and centimeter is 28.5. So Nike for UK 10 is 29. For Converse is 28.5. Wow. The outsole, this outsole is a single piece outsole, not like the normal Chuck Taylor one where they have to save taxes. They have like a slipper type of outsole, which is like Joda Lagano. It's a moderate gripping, not like the other basketball shoes, but even now I think I could have gone for the famous Chuck 70 version, the black one, E-grade one in this model, because I really like this model. It gives you good height. This is like higher than the normal Chuck 70. So Chuck 70 Plus, definitely I'll highly recommend it. Its price about $6,999. If you're buying for first time, they'll give you a 10% off. So I got it at like 6,300 after that discount. Great shoe. Like, subscribe the video if you want me to make more detailed video on sneakers. Many people were asking about the Chuck 70 Plus in a shorts video which I posted, so I made a long video on it.